This is the market summary for today, and we're starting off with Nasdaq. We have lagging span here, which is below price, indicating a ranging market. Today we have had a bullish close of 1.26%. There is a diagonal here, which represents some kind of resistance. There is the cloud here, which also represents some kind of support. Similarly, the SPX is still in the ranging market. Lagging span is below price. It's touching price at the moment, indicating that we are expecting a ranging market. It has broken out of a diagonal, indicating that we are looking for bullishness. However, because lagging span is still below price, we're expecting a ranging market. It closed today bullish with 0.72%. This is less than the Nasdaq, indicating that we have more tech stocks that have seen a rise. The Dow Jones still has a long way to go until its target. It had a bullish candle with a 0.29% increase. You can see the Kijun, conversion line, and lagging span all pointing up, indicating strong bullish continuation. The Russell, which is much closer to the target, is showing signs of slowing down its initial momentum. Closed bullish with 0.44%. The equal weighted Russell also looks like it's flattening out based on the Kijun line and the conversion line looking more flat. We've had an indecision candle today of 0.04%, so the move today was negligible. As the move on the Nasdaq exceeds the SPY, we know that it is tech stocks that carried the move today. This is confirmed from the one-day performance. We can see outperformance in tech and comms. These flows came from the consumer defensive and healthcare positions. As the equal weighted Russell had a negligible move today, we know that today's move is based on the larger stocks. Looking at the mags, we've had a bullish close of 1.81%, which outperformed Nasdaq. However, from a technical perspective, this is still in the cloud, which marks a turbulent zone. Of the Mag 7, Apple probably looks the best. My plan was to buy this Kijun cross here and a breach of the cloud. However, the candle was too large for my risk reward system. I will be waiting for the breakout. As discussed in previous videos, the XLC, which is comms, I wouldn't touch. Everything is below the cloud, indicating bearishness. Looking at the weekly, we are constantly making lower lows. Financials, however, we've had an Ichimoku breakout, we've had a conversion line test and breakout of these highs, and we're ready to test these new highs, indicating financials is probably a good area to be in right now. I did get an alert for IHI, which is medical devices. We've got Kumo breakout. Lagging span is still below the cloud, and we don't have a bullish twist. However, it's looking like the trend is starting to change. And while healthcare had a down day, there might be some rotation into the constituents of this ETF. These stocks here representing the constituents of the ETF. The VIX is still below 20. Bitcoin seems to be rallying around this neckline here. We have now confirmed closes above the conversion line and the baseline. While the cloud is a vacuum in itself, we do have to wait for Bitcoin to close in the cloud and close out of the cloud as well to even consider flipping bullish.